Hi folks, yeah, you guessed it, we're on another CB radio. I know a lot of you don't want CB radios, but unfortunately if they come in I've got to do them. Simple as that, I'm afraid. So it's in, so I've got to do it. This has come from a friend of mine called John. And it is a Marko. Don't know what Marko. But we're going to undo it anyway. We're going to. It's AM/FM SSB is what it is, and we're going to do. I've unplugged the wrong bloody plug. We're going to do the receiver to start with on this one because that's what I want to do. I normally do the transmitter first, but I'm going to do the receiver first, and then we'll get the transmitter and then we get the receiver out of the way. So we're going to do, and I've not torn my twiddling sticks everywhere. No, I haven't. Nearly knocked them everywhere. So what we're going to do, this is going to be the receiver first on this one. So we need our and so we're going to do the receiver first because that's how I want to do it today. Right. There. Connect everything up that we need. Let's turn it off for a minute. It's a, what do you call it this? It's a Cybernet chassis. Don't know, I can't remember what model it is. Marko Cb transceiver 747. It is. So well, somebody's had the low band crystal. We don't know why. But the mid band and high band, which is all he wants anyway, is working. So we're all right there. We're not going to get the mic out of the way because we don't accidentally squeeze the mic. Blow our RF meter. Don't want to do that, do we? Certainly not. We'll blow our RF meter. Well, we're getting sound. Now let's get the RF meter plugged in. It is a bit off frequency, this. We want it to. In fact, I could actually go there, couldn't I? 205 mid band. That would save me changing it. Turn this up. We're not getting any receive. Oh, hang on. There we are. That receiver is piss poor. So we'll start by sorting the receiver out. Let's turn the cyanide meter on. Oh, hang on. Well, that's made a big difference. It's been messed with. We've definitely had a screwdriver merchant in here. Go back to you lot. We've had a screwdriver merchant in here. Right. So what we'll do, we'll set the detector first. We'll find out where that is. It's going to be down here somewhere. We'll use the metal tool on them because they can be bloody difficult to turn. But this detector's spot on. Check this one. It's alright. That appears to be okay. Detector was spot on. So what we'll do next, we'll come down a bit. Now we'll try and bring well, that's well out, isn't it? That is well out. Wow, that would have been deaf as a post. Right, so go back to the first one. There we go. Let's see how oh, still a bit low there, not getting much. No, we're not hearing it. We're not hearing it. The receiver's a bit crap. Now we'll see if we can get that a bit better. Let's got that up a bit. Let's got that up. So look at this one on top of the oh, that was well out. Let's see how low we can go. Let's go lower. Yeah, we can hear that a bit better. Let's check this one here. Get a bit more out of there. Now let's try this one here. We need a bigger tool. Whoa. That's alright. Check these ones behind here. Nothing getting that, no getting out of there. That's okay. Now let's go through it all once more. Start with this one. That's that one. Now these two. That's that. That's that. Them two there, RTX. And is there anything else? No. Right. Well, there we are. That's a bit better. RF game was off. Right, so we turn that down now. Yeah, RF gain off. There we go. So we'll go through it again. Oh, that's transmitter, sorry. Let's come down a bit lower. That will do. That's PA. That's SWR. So what we'll do, can we hear that all the way down? I would imagine we could. That's good, that's on, that's right. Let's come down a bit, we're a bit high. Well, it shouldn't be now. That's it, go back to that one. That's it. It's high. That's good. That one there's okay. These ones here. That's good. And that's good. I don't think we're going to get that any better than what we've got. Just check the detector. Yeah, we're all right on the detector. Now let's turn the right, well, we can hear it all the way down. I'm going to find my sheet. I'll tell you how many microvolts it is. For those who like to do things in microvolts, which I do myself. But right, here we go. We are. Let's see where we're at for 12 decibel cyanide. There we are. I think we're about average, to be honest. Apologise for headphone users for the crackles. Right, so we're 124 for 12 decibels. For 12, minus 124, and that's 0.159 microvolts. That's not bad. And we can hear it all the way down to 200 minus 132, which is 0.06633 of a microvolt. So yeah, that's fair to say that the receiver is now brought back from the brink. So what we'll do now, we'll now disconnect the RF and we'll turn this back up for the next job. And as you can see, right, so that's sorted out now. So what we'll do, we'll unplug that from there. Put that over out of the way. And what we'll do, we'll plug... Hey Christine!
Did you have a jumbo in there?
Yeah!
Where's your cup?
There. My cup and my plate. The tea's on.
No.
I'm just servicing this radio for John.
No.
A mate of mine.
You always done it.
I know you said. Right, so we don't need the external speaker, we don't need the scope, because the next job is to just set the transmitter. We didn't do the signal meter, but I'm not really mithered about that. We can go back at some point, put an S9 on and do it. We can go back and do that at some point. I meant to check it but didn't. Right, so what we're going to do now, we need microphone. Now we're plugged into there. Right, we want channel 20, we'll tune it on this band. Now these ones here are transmit, because they didn't do that on receive. So well, that's not doing much. Hey. Right. These here are transmit, so why are they not doing nothing? These are receive. Yeah, put them back where I got them. We'll double check anyway. But these are transmit. Yeah, let's turn the transmitter down. Make sure that we're actually, hang on, problem there. I've not burnt my dummy load out, have I? Killed my dummy load? Not killed my dummy load, have I? No, we weren't connected, we weren't fully up there. Let's try that. Now we're getting... Oh, that's weird. What?
Are we having beans?
Yeah, I don't know. Oh, don't say I burnt my dummy load out. Jesus. Do you know, my dummy load might have gone open. I can't see why. But we are transmitting, we're just not getting what we should be. Turn the meter on. I think I burnt my dummy load out. I think my dummy load's died. To make up another one. Out! Yeah, I think my dummy load's burnt out. Well, that's a bit of a bummer, isn't it? My dummy load's burnt out. Oh, for fuck's sake.
The top and bottom? Alright then. And what size clothes are you in?
It is, it's open.
7 to 8 at the top?
Yeah.
What t-shirts and jumpers?
My dummy load's burnt out. Oh, would you bloody believe it? Pull that out of there. That should be 50 ohms. Yeah, my dummy load's burnt out. Steve's got me other one. I'll have to make another one up. Yeah. Yeah, my dummy load's burnt out. No worries. I'll make another one after. Never mind, I'll have to make another one up in a bit, folks. Never mind, these things happen. So we can't tune the transmitter until till I do that. So we'll do that, shall we? We'll do that, shall we? We'll make up a dummy load. There we go. We'll just get another couple of resistors and make up another dummy load. Right. Right, so it's not broken in the middle there, is it? Not just open circuit, is it, in the middle? So what we'll do, out! What we'll do, we'll see. Right, so, but basically it's gone. It could even be just open. But you know, this is. There we go. Let's peel this out. It probably burnt to buggery actually. Well, that one's not. Well, that one ain't, so. Because. Out! Yes, he has. My bloody dummy load's burnt out. No, yeah, you can do. Yeah. Oh, it's come open. It's gone open circuit. It's not burnt out. Or is it burnt off that? Oh yeah, the end of that's burnt. Yeah, it's burnt up, that one. Yeah, one of them's burnt up. There we are. Well, it's not burnt up at all. No, it's bloody hell.
Yeah, Andy, did you sort that thing out what Carl dropped off?
Yes, it's done. We put it there. Take that goddamn coat off.
Stop moaning. Tell me to not put a coat on, then put a coat on. I put a coat on because it's raining this morning.
Right, let's test this end and see. That's alright. So let's solder this back together. I think it's just come apart. Let's solder it back together. There we are. Right. Let's see if it reads. 50 ohms. Yep. 50 ohms. There we go. So what we can do now, we can clean that off there. There we go. Where's my socket? Shove that back into my socket. Bend that over. I mean, I'm just shoving it in, but What? Does what? I don't know why. So let's solder this back up. Right. Pop that back into there. Pop it back into that. There we go. Turn it on. No SWR this time, that's good. That's perfect. And there's the high power. Right, so we can tune up the transmitter. Now where's my twiddling stick gone? It's good. It's good. It's okay. Let's turn it round so I can get to it. That's it. It's perfect. And there is one down there for the overall high power. We'll set that to 5 watts. There we go. Now we'll check the balance. It's channel 40 and channel 1, that's a bit out of balance. Do a bit better than that. Right, so now let's see. 5 watts. Channel 1. 5 watts, channel 40. Bang on. I'll just give you a quick look at the meter and show you that if I can. Go to camera 4. I know some of you don't like to see CBs, but unfortunately what comes in, doesn't it? You know, we do what we get. Right, so there's 5 watts. Dead on. On channel 40, 5 watts. On channel 1, let's go to, I'll need to check the receiver again because I played with those two, didn't I? And so I just need to check the receiver and set the signal meter. So what we'll do now, we'll set the power meter. Put back on 20. We'll set the power meter for 5. We're going to leave it there actually because we're just over. Yeah, we'll take it a little bit. We'll take it up a bit because we are doing 5 watts, so we'll take it to 5 watts. And the power meter is this one here at the back, I believe. Oh, hang on. We'll set it to there. That's a good distance, yeah. So that's 5 watts. And if we put it on 3, it wangs right across. Right, now let's go to mid band, let's go to high band. And we're just under 5 watts on high band. Let's check the power balance between 1 and 40 on this band. Oh, we're a bit slightly out of balance there with 5 watts there and 4, just under 4 watts there. Just over, sorry. So let me just try and oh, that's the wrong one. I will have to check the receiver again now. It doesn't do much. That's not doing much. Let's go back to just check that. And that's there. Out! So that's there. And that's there. It would be nice if I could just bring that. That doesn't make any difference. One of these should. One of these should. Check me. No, that's okay. I mean, what do you call it? My dummy loads fell out. Ah. That got hot, didn't it? Never mind. Yeah, that soon got hot. Wow. What? Right, hang on. Yeah, my dummy load. I need to make a new one, I think. Or one that can take the power. Move that out of the way a minute. There we go. I think that'll do it. We've only got a little bit of adjustment to do. Oh no, I didn't hold it on long enough. Out! I'm sick of that freaking dog. It's whinging. It's not even tea time yet. They'll give me too early, then he'll whinge later on that he's hungry. Yeah. I mean, really I should use a bit more higher wattage. for these resistors, but these are all I've got to hand at this point in time, so we're just using what we've got. There we are, let's try that. No SW, that's good. Now let's just very quickly balance up the power. So channel 40. That's actually not bad. Channel 1. 40. Just let's put it back on mid-band. 1. See, the cocksuckers are out. What? Yeah, they don't give a shit, do they? So now that'll do. So that's, yeah, that's balanced on there. Let's go to there. It's only a little bit, that'll do. You can't get it everywhere. Right, so we need to look for deviation, and I'm not sure which one it is. It'll be one of these. We don't know which one deviation is, so we'll turn this monitor receiver on, and oh no, we can't. Oh yeah, we can. High. Don't worry about the buzz, that's my transfer power supply. 1, 2, 3, 4. Could do it a bit more on there. I'm not sure which one it is that does it. It could be this one here. Let's get the... Could be this one here near the audio output. One, two, 1, 2, 1, 2. It's not, so we'll put that back. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Nope, leave that where it is. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Nope, put that back. 1, 2, 1, 2. Nope, put that back. That's power meter. And that one. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Nope. So where the hell do we put the deviation? Could be there. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Hello, 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 hello. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's better. That's lifted it up. Back it off slightly. There we go. What? Yeah, if you want. Yeah, I'm going to plug this in to my power supply that doesn't buzz. Plug that into there. I've checked Alex's power supply. Let's have a listen. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 2 1 2. It is a bit off frequency, so you expect that, but that's not bad. That's about as good as, we'll go a bit higher I think. About there. 1 2. But it is a bit, the radio is a bit off frequency, and I'll tell you how far off it is now. If we connect the frequency counter, just connect onto there, and we can look at it. Yeah, it's 27,792.6, so that needs to be adjusted, and you can't get. I haven't tried actually. I'm going to try it now, and I believe it's this middle one here. That's going up. 127. Not sure we can get it in. No. It's gone to 3. No. That's as good as we're going to get, I'm afraid. It's as good as we're going to have. Yeah, it's as good as we're going to get. We're not going to get any better than that. So what I'll do, I'll look in the manual, because I know you can, but I know you can change the capacitor here. If I bring you in, you can change. Just get my plastic tool. Where's my trimmer? There it is. You can change this capacitor here. Yeah, it's that one. You can change that for a different value, and that'll bring it in. So we can do that. We can do that later. And I'm going to just quickly check the receive, because I did play with those two controls, those two adjustments. So we're just going to quickly check the receive, and then we'll call it a day on this. As I say, this is an old radio, but it's working. It's better than what it was when it got here, because I did do an assessment. Now we don't want the mic. Let's go back to the cyanide meter. We want the external speaker. We don't need the oscilloscope. Extension speaker. And we want channel 20, mid-band. Come down a bit. And it's these two here that I messed up that I want to just bring in. So that's that one in. Let's go for that one. And that's the receiver out. That's the receiver set up. All the way down. You can hear it there. That's off. There we go. And we'll unplug that from there. There we go. Put that there, turn it off. And I'm going to end it here, folks, and I shall catch you later. Bye for now.